This is an audio production test.
Play something that I wrote in a second, then add 3 audio effects on it. After that, leave your guesses of what they are in the comments, and we'll go over what they are afterward. Let's go.
Shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose.
I'm not sure if this was the easiest or hardest one that you can get, but this first effect that I changed is one that you can definitely hear even if you don't know music production. De-essing. In the second clip, all the S's and T's and the consonant sounds were reduced. It is a very, very common thing. There's specific automatic effects made for this in almost every high-end music program. In other programs and back in the day, you could say, I'm not that old, but back in the day, I used to take them manually down every S and T with a vocal automator. Just take the volume down for every single thing manually, but now we have plugins that do it automatically, and I took it off pretty heavily here. Second effect, I would be pretty surprised if you didn't know music production and you still were able to get this, but it's saturation, guitar fuzzy distortion. This is what I applied to the vocal very subtly in the second effect. I drove FabFilter Saturator by 9 dB. I just cranked this thing and it gave it this kind of radio-y saturated distortion effect. Last one, where you would notice this if you did pick up on it is at the last word, most likely. The tail of the reverb is longer in the second one. So that vibey reverb that I have in the background takes about 3.5 seconds to decay and die in the second effect, and only about half of that in the first one. Pretty good. Let me know if you had all of those, if you want to body the first ones or dare to try expert level. Go into the next videos. They'll be linked down below and probably in the sidebar. If you liked this video, like it down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.